a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Don't. Just don't. Ow! Don't. I got it that time. Ow! I'm rusty. Hold on. Don't.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
I should change this back, huh? I closed it on my thumb. I did it wrong. Alright, guys. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use a butterfly and a knife. But instead of a knife, for safety purposes, it's a bottle cap opener. So you start off with this closed like so. And then you grab the side that doesn't have the handle. Because normally, if you hold that side, if there's a knife, you could cut your hand. So you hold the side without the handle. And then what you do is, you're gonna flip this open while holding this side. Flip this around. Flip this open like this. And then you're gonna switch it in your hand like this. That was incorrect. I don't know how to explain. You go like this. When you flip this open, it's gonna twist in your hand as well. Ta-da! Thank you for tuning in to the tutorial. Same thing happens when you close it back. And then you go, don't. So they won't. Thank you for tuning to my tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification button, and nobody will mess with you. Don't. I won't.